Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to fix there is a problem with your request on Chatgpt. To do this, first go back from your Chatgpt and go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Now search for your Chatgpt app. Scroll down and tap on storage. Now delete your cache file and delete app data. After that, go back, scroll up and tap on permissions and make sure all permission is allowed. After doing that, go back and go to your Play Store. Now search for Chatgpt. Update your Chatgpt if it's available. After update your app, then open it. If you still facing this problem, then it may be a server issue. Just wait a few moments and try again later. Thank you.